I had second question in my mind. One, so last year Java 8 was released, and I guess there are a lot of new features, and it's kind of rebirth of a language, one of the strongest push towards its revival. What are the key areas one should put efforts in learning in Java 8? We'll start with Naresh again.
Again, I mean, the perspective I have here is...
Social perspective again?
No, not really. When Java 7 was released, I mean, it was about to be released, I was eagerly waiting for it to be released. I was telling to my colleagues what other features are there and all. Finally, it got delayed and delayed. So that was the problem. That was the, context I was in. But when Java 8 was about to be released, I was already using Groovy for my day job, and I was not really waiting for any of the features there. So my point of interest would be, as a Groovy programmer, what would be the interesting features for you in Java 8? So the first one I would say is Streams API. So generally people would say lambdas, but since I was already using lambdas, I was not requiring that. But Streams API is something which will add value to Groovy programmers. You can really call Streams API, and instead of lambda expressions, you could pass Groovy closures there. So the real benefit you would get is the lazy evaluation what Streams API provides, and also it improves. I mean, it improves file API and all. The same benefits it will bring onto file API, the NIO2 as well. Second one is one I would say, to a smaller extent, Datetime API, which otherwise I would really use Yoda time library in all my Grails projects. So now I directly rely on Java 8 Datetime API. So my pick would be these two. And actually, another interesting thing is the way the Java 8 lambdas are implemented. Instead of that inner class, that additional file, the way they incorporate into they store it in the same file, essentially using the invoke dynamic, which was really intended to be used by JRuby, Groovy, etc. But the language which took real advantage of that is Java 8 itself. So I would say those three.